Welcome back to Crypto Coin News. Today we are going to ask the question, is it time to sell your Ripple? Now, I've been getting a lot of comments from you guys worried about your money. Maybe you invested around the $1.80 mark or over the $2 mark. Maybe you invested on a Ripple high and you are concerned that you are going to lose your investment and you're wondering if you should pull out of XRP, the cryptocurrency. Well, I'm going to talk all about Ripple and its current state and where it's still going to go and if it still has legs going into 2018 in this video. But before we get into it, do not forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications so you never miss a crypto news video. We do 3 to 5 cryptocurrency news videos every single day. So if you're a cryptocurrency player, you're definitely going to want to subscribe to this channel. But let's get started. Looking at Ripple, we're still sitting at the number 2 spot for market cap, about $5 billion above Ethereum still. We've definitely seen a scale back, quite a bit of sell-off here. We're at $1.93 according to cryptocurrency, or coinmarketcap.com. Sorry, guys. Coinmarketcap.com says that we're at $1.93, but if you look at the trade view here on Bitstamp, we're trading for about $1.73. Now, here we're going to answer the question, do you sell your Ripple if you bought in, say, between the 29th and the 30th today? Say you bought in around $1.40. Are you trying to take profit at $1.74? Is that a good idea? I would say I am not a professional financial advisor, but in my opinion, it is not a good idea to sell right now. I put out a video earlier today showing video proof. Now, obviously, the video proof could be altered or docked, but there is a video out there that has just released today, about actually a couple hours ago from this video being made, showing that Coinbase actually added Ripple in its beta and someone was playing around with Ripple on Coinbase. So if that happens, you're going to see this price, $1.74, probably shoot up towards the $5 mark. And we saw Bitcoin Cash explode when it went on Coinbase, so we could even see closer to the $7.50 to even $10 mark, which a lot of people predict for the end of 2018 for Ripple to be at. So I personally do not think you should sell. I think this is a buying opportunity, if anything. Yes, Ripple was at about $275, $280 USD yesterday, but now it is sitting at $1.75. I actually just bought more Ripple myself a couple of hours ago at $1.66. So I'm a big believer in buy low, sell high, but I am a believer in holding, and I don't think it's any time to sell yet. Let's go over some articles that might maybe sway your opinion if you're thinking about selling your Ripple token. But first, let's look at its market cap today. As you can see, it has just been fluctuating. I know it traded over $14 billion yesterday, and now we're sitting at $6 billion today, and you can see a massive peel back from the top of this mountain peak at about 275, falling all the way as low, I think, as this is not updated, of course, according to trade, but on this, it fell as low as 191 today, and I am expecting it to probably peel back to the 160 mark, and that's why I bought more Ripple at $1.66. If you're a smart investor and you know that this is going to be a long-term coin, you buy when you have these opportunities. You buy when people sell. Some people that are selling probably bought in when it was trading for 22 cents, and they're taking their 10, 15 times gains right now, and they're selling, and that's why you're seeing these downward spiraling candlesticks. But we're going to come back up, as you can see. We had a huge mountain peak yesterday, like I said, and then you had to go down the mountain, then you establish a nice little valley, and then you peak up again. And with Ripple, it's always in the news. There's so many new developing partnerships that it's going to continue to rise, guys. If it goes down even to $1.40, you're going to see it rise again. So these are good opportune buying times in my unprofessional opinion. I just want to put that out there. Don't go betting your house on Ripple, but I personally have a big stake in Ripple, and I believe in this coin, and I do think, before the end of January, we're going to see this coin back over $3. Well, it's never been there, but I think we're going to see it over $3 by the end of January, and if it makes the partnership with Coinbase, you might see it over $5, and if it partners up with Visa or MasterCard, who knows, you could see it over $7, and you could really see a big turn in your investment, especially at $1.73 even right now. So let's read some articles, though. This one's a little bit far-fetched. Sorry, Bitcoin, Ripple is the king of cryptocurrency in 2017. Ripple takes the crypto market by storm and emerges as the dark horse by surging above $2.50. So basically in this article, they say that nothing can stop Ripple. It's up 77% in the past 24 hours to 271 according to CoinMarketCap. It actually hit like 275 or 276. The past 24 hours trading volume was 11 billion. Actually, I think hit 14 billion for a little bit. Confidently surpassed the $100 billion mark. It did. Yes, I watched that last night. $100 billion market cap Ripple had for a while. Another crown to its jewel. The altcoin is currently the second most powerful cryptocurrency by market cap, overtaking Ethereum, who has been occupying this position for a long time. So if you look here on marketcap.com or coinmarketcap.com, it still is number 2. It's got about a $7 billion spread on it between Ethereum and itself. So it is still strong, and I think this coin is going to see some serious gain, especially as buzz about going on Coinbase comes out. We might see this get to $250 before Coinbase, and maybe $6 or $7 once it launches to Coinbase, because Coinbase has been known to pump some cryptocurrency. A lot of people that are on Coinbase are new traders with no cryptocurrency at all, and they're going to see a cryptocurrency for $1.97 when all the other ones are trading at $13,700, $2,400, and $222. So it's going to be a very appealing cryptocurrency to new traders, and that's where we're going to see some money be influxed into the market. But let's go over here. Ripple becomes largest altcoin as Bitcoiners issue warnings. So a lot of professional Bitcoiners, guys, a lot of people that have believed in Bitcoin, a lot of financial advisors are advising now, even before when they believed in Bitcoin, are advising to get out of Bitcoin. It's actually been kind of a scary day for Bitcoin news. If you're a Bitcoin holder, I know I'm holding Bitcoin. I know a lot of cryptocurrency believers hold Bitcoin because that is our mothership coin, you guys. That's the coin that started it all. It started the movement, and it's decentralized, and it's an amazing cryptocurrency. So a lot of people are holding Bitcoin, and a lot of people use Bitcoin to trade with. So a lot of people are holding Bitcoin at any given moment. But they talk about how, Ripple is taking the charge here. And they also talk about a whole bunch of different financial advisors saying, get out of Bitcoin. There was actually a lot of interesting CNBC articles today that came out. There was actually some interesting interviews. The guy from The Wolf of Wall Street, not from the movie, not the actor, but the guy that is portrayed in the movie. Oh, God, what's his name? I'm blanking on his name. It's on the tip of my tongue. But Jordan Belfort, he did some interviews today, and he constantly is doing interviews smashing and trashing Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. He's not a believer, so that's no surprise. But after the payment network's token reached as much as $265, it reached more than that, like $275 on some exchanges this week. Investors are celebrating returns, which have topped 1,000% in just 3 weeks. At the start of December, XRP traded at 24 cents. So yeah, that was at the beginning of December, 24 cents. Oh, that would have been a good time to get it. You'd be seeing, 10x gains, 11x gains, maybe 12x gains in certain markets. Multiple altcoins have seen astronomical gains towards the end of the year as Bitcoin's own surge fueled copycat behavior, which saw new all-time highs for assets including Monero, Ethereum, and Ethereum Classic. With a market cap of 91 billion, or BLN, it's not billion, we were at like 600 something billion yesterday. At press time Saturday, however, 91 billion for Ripple. It is Ripple that has stolen the show from Ethereum, which currently has the third largest market cap at 68 billion. This is a little bit old, obviously. This is only a few hours old, so it's interesting to see that Ripple's lost a decent bit of market cap in the last few hours. Let's continue to read though. Reasons for Ripple's rise revolve around new partnerships with traditional finance institutions keen to leverage its technology to cut costs and save time. So Ripple's centralized solution trust in one company worth 100 billion. Bitcoin decentralized solution trust in mathematics and cryptography worth 235 billion. There is a clear mispricing here between the past and the future. So this guy here, George, is basically saying the future is Ripple, the past is Bitcoin. I don't agree with George 100% because obviously I think decentralized currency is a reason a lot of us are invested, break free of the old infrastructure and start our own thing. Now, I don't think banks will ever be eliminated and financial institutions will be torn down, but I think Bitcoin still has a place in this market. Yes, Ripple has a use for banks and for already set up financial structure, which makes it, I think, extremely valuable right now, but Bitcoin's still going to be valuable in my opinion. Popular personality Whale Panda, meanwhile, went further comparing Ripple's ethos in terms of bondified blockchain qualities to notorious MMM scheme OneCoin. If you really believe Ripple, which isn't even a blockchain project, is the future of cryptocurrencies, then I have some BitConnect and OneCoin to sell you. Oh, that is a shot. That is a shot at BitConnect. Okay, so that's basically the article. This article is not a lot of belief in Bitcoin, not a lot of belief in Ripple, but a lot of the old school investors still believe in Bitcoin. But a lot of the financial minds, like the financial experts, are pushing towards Ripple. So it's all about, I guess, what you want to believe and I believe Ripple will rise. Now, do I believe it's going to be the biggest coin ever to be in the cryptocurrency market and that it's going to rule the marketplace forever? I don't know. I don't think so, because it's not really a currency. You can't buy stuff with it. So I think there's going to be other currencies that come out and that do have a lot of success, but I think Ripple's time is right now, and it's a good time to be invested in Ripple, in my opinion. And that's where you're going to see some gains over the next 2 to 3 months, over the next quarter for sure. But guys, I think this is where we're going to end today's little Ripple rant here. I had to go on it because I get so many comments from you guys wondering if you should sell, and I'm personally going to hold my Ripple. I believe in this coin. Like I said, I just bought more at $1.66. And as you can see, all the coins I bought at $1.66 are now up about 11 cents each. So it's going to go up, guys. And if it does make these partnerships with Coinbase, Visa, MasterCard, etc., we're going to see massive rises. But I think this is where we're going to end the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications so you never miss a video. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below. Let's start a conversation. Are you holding your Ripple, or did you sell out, or have you even purchased Ripple yet? Or are you refusing to buy the cryptocurrency XRP? Let me know in the comment section down below. But until next time, guys, happy trading and goodbye.